In this video, you will learn how to identify and verify the identity of an equation. We have three types of equations: the conditional, identity, and inconsistent. Now, how do we know whether an equation is conditional, identity, or inconsistent? What happens when we solve a conditional, identity, or inconsistent equation? When we solve a conditional equation, it will give us a solution. So it has one solution, which is equal to a number. And that means it is true for one or more values. So the variable given in the equation would have a value, say for example, x equals 0 or x equals -1/4, x equals 2. Okay, that is for the conditional equation. How about when we solve an identity equation? Whenever we solve an identity equation, the result or the solution would be all real numbers, which is also true for all values. That means the expression or the number on the right is equivalent to the expression or the number on the left. Say for example, 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1, or 3 equals 3, which is true. And for the inconsistent equation, whenever we solve an inconsistent equation, the solution would be null. It has no solution. That means it is false for all values. And that also means that the number on the left is not equal to the number on the right. Say for example, 0 is equal to 3, and 0 is not equal to 3. Therefore, that equation is inconsistent. So let's try to solve some sample problems here. Okay, we're given this equation here, and let's identify and verify whether this equation is conditional, identity, or inconsistent. Okay, we just have to simplify the expression on the left and the expression on the right. So on the left, let's start on the left here. We have -3x minus 5x minus 6. We just have to group like terms. -3x here and -5x are like terms, so we can just simply add them up. So that is -3x minus 5x is -8x. Then copy -6 or -6 equals, okay, 4 plus 2x minus 9. 4 and -9 are constants. They are like terms. We can just copy 2x here. And then 4 minus 9 is -5. So let's solve for x here. So we add 6 to both sides. This cancels out. So we're left with 8x equals 2x. -5 plus 6 is just plus 1. And then we subtract 2x from both sides. This cancels out. -8x minus 2x is -10x equals 1. And then divide both sides by 10, or -10. Then we have a value for x, which is equal to -1/10. Therefore, this equation here is conditional because it has a solution. Okay, let's try some more problems. Okay, what if we're given this equation here? Let's identify and verify the identity of this one. So we're given 7x plus 5 equals 5 times x plus 3 plus 2x. The expression on the left is already simplified, so let's simplify the one on the right. So let's just copy 7x plus 5 here. Equals, okay, we distribute 5 to x plus 3. So that is 5x. 5 times x is 5x. Copy the operator sign, which is plus. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2x. Then copy 7x plus 5 here. We group like terms, so 5x and 2x go together. So that is 5x plus 2x equals 7x plus 15. Okay. The expression on the left and the expression on the right are not equal, so this is not an identity. We need to solve for the value of x. So we subtract 5 from both sides. This cancels out, so this is 7x equals 7x. 15 minus 5 is 10. And then we subtract 7x from both sides. So this is 0. This is 10. So the result is 0 equals 10, which are not equal. Okay, the number on the left is not equal to the number on the right. Therefore, this equation here has no solution, and this equation is inconsistent. Okay, let's solve another equation here. We have 4x plus 7 equals 2x plus 7. So let's solve for the value of x. Subtract 7 from both sides. So that cancels out. So we have 4x equals 2x. This is 0. So 0. And then subtract 2x from both sides. So this is 4x minus 2x is 2x. And 2x minus 2x is 0. Then we divide both sides by 2 to solve for x. X is 0. So x here has a value which is equivalent to 0. Therefore, this equation here has a solution, and this one is conditional. Okay, let's try this problem here. 3x minus 3 times 2 minus x equals 6 times x minus 1. So let's simplify the expressions on the left and on the right. So we have 3x minus, we distribute 3 to 2 minus x. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 times negative x is positive 3x. And then the expression on the right, we distribute 6 here. So this is 6 times x is 6x minus 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, and then we simplify this one. We group like terms. 3x plus 3x is 6x. Minus 6 equals 6x minus 6. So in this case, the expression on the simplified expression on the left is just equivalent to the simplified expression on the right. Therefore, this equation here is an identity. Okay, I hope you understood everything and you're now able to identify and verify the type of equation.